Accelerating innovation with cloud computing, success stories. In recent years, cloud computing has become one of the most significant technologies for businesses looking to accelerate their innovation. The scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness of cloud computing have helped companies to deliver new products and services, reduce time to market, and increase their competitive advantage. In this article, we will look at some success stories of companies that have accelerated their innovation through cloud computing. 1. Netflix. Netflix, the streaming giant, is a prime example of a company that has accelerated its innovation with cloud computing. Netflix started as a traditional DVD rental company but quickly pivoted to become the international leader in streaming services. The company's success in streaming is largely due to its utilization of cloud computing. Netflix uses Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure to host and stream its services globally. By using the public cloud, Netflix has been able to easily scale its services and quickly expand new markets. AWS provides Netflix with the flexibility to accommodate the increasing traffic demands of its users, allowing the company to respond quickly to changes in viewer habits. Moreover, Netflix uses cloud computing to create personalized experiences for its users. Netflix uses machine learning algorithms in AWS to recommend content that the viewers are likely to enjoy. Improves viewer engagement, leading to higher retention rates and increased revenue. 2. Airbnb. Airbnb, a well-known online marketplace for rental accommodations, is another example of a company that leveraged cloud computing for innovation. The company uses cloud computing to power its website and mobile applications, to manage its bookings, payments, messaging, and other back-end functions. Airbnb initially hosted its services on its own servers but quickly realized that it needed a more scalable and cost-effective solution to meet its requirements. As a result, Airbnb migrated to Amazon and Web Services, a move that allowed Airbnb to scale its operations to a global level and deliver a more reliable service to its customers. With the cloud-based architecture, Airbnb can efficiently store and process tremendous amounts of data without having to worry about hardware limitations. The company also uses AWS for its machine learning and data analytics capabilities, which help Airbnb to personalize the customer's search results and further enhance the user experience. 3. Slack. Slack, a messaging platform, is another example of a company that has leveraged cloud computing to accelerate its innovation. Slack has become one of the most successful tech startups by providing a unique, powerful, and user-friendly alternative to email communication. Slack uses the public cloud to host its services, which allows the company to maintain a high level of scalability and reliability. Slack's cloud infrastructure is built on Amazon Web Services, which offers a wide range of tools and services to help the company to deliver its services quickly and efficiently. Additionally, Slack has developed an extensive ecosystem of third-party integrations and applications, which allows its users to customize the platform and extend its capabilities further. 4. Adobe. Adobe, the software giant, is an excellent example of a company that has embraced cloud computing to accelerate its innovation. Adobe initially offered a traditional suite of desktop applications, such as Photoshop and Illustrator, but over time the company has migrated to cloud-based solutions. Adobe's Creative Cloud solution is a suite of software applications that allow users to create, collaborate, and share content online and offline. By migrating to the cloud, Adobe has been able to deliver new features and capabilities to its users much faster than it could have done with traditional software updates. 5. GE Healthcare. GE Healthcare is a global leader in medical technology.